day, welcome back to my channel. It's just me, Natty. So I hope you guys are really excited for today's video. Yes, I'm talking a lot with my hands because I just got my nails done, honey. If you guys did not already watch this tutorial, it is in the link below, and yeah, it's the previous video to this one right here, so definitely go and check that out. So today is a super cool video. Please mind my skin, it is doing the most right now. Yeah, it's just the weather is changing, my skin is dry and it's going crazy. Today I'm going to be doing a very colorful makeup look. Today I wanted to dive into some lighter colors and more on the pastel. What is going on with you today? So first up, I'm gonna go ahead and sort this area out right here. It is bugging me, so I'm gonna go ahead and color correct first. I'm gonna be using the Holy Grail Flash Case by Switch Beauty, and I'm just using a little bit of this red just to color correct. So I'm picking it up with my finger and just applying this to the sides of my mouth and wherever I can see there is some dark areas. So I was threading my upper lip the other day and the cotton completely cut me throughout this entire area right here and on this side as well. I have no idea why. I even tried to do it as slow as possible. We're just gonna go over those red areas with this color right here. So I am still gonna go in with foundation, so if you can see like slight reddish undertone, that's completely fine. I'm gonna go ahead with foundation over top of this, but in the meantime I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do the soap brow, and hopefully I can get used to the idea of having lighter brows. I think for the soap brow, which I've done in my previous video, I did go a bit heavy with some product which kind of took away the whole brushed up brows. I will get a tutorial up for you guys when I am confident enough with my brows or the soap brow, and yeah, but now I need to go off camera and I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay, then I'm gonna go into this peach shade here, and I'm going to pack this on the center part of the eyelid. Slightly blended it into the green as well. Now I'm going to use this yellow shade and apply that to the inner corner. Pretty much already know where this look is going. Be packing my eyelids with the exact same colors but in a powder form. Next, using one of my coolest palettes that I have, this is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and it is it is a beautiful colorful palette, a little rainbow, guys. Oh, for the yellow, I'm going to be using this bright yellow right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack it on the inner corners where I've placed the yellow cream. Well, make sure you keep your hand very soft because this is a more blended look. Okay guys, since I can't find a peach, I'm going to be using this corally color, and I'm not packing this a lot on the eye. I want it to be a pastel kind of eye look, so I'm not packing, very lightly just touching the eye with this color and blending it into the yellow. now that I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead into this lavender shade, and I'm gonna put that directly next to this pink or coral shade. Now I'm going to go into this light minty color right here, and I'm going to place this on the outer corner. And make sure you guys are blending it into the color that's next to it, because you don't want it to look weird and, you know, just placed next to each other. It needs to be blended and looking, you know, very beautiful. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It is like a teal shade, and I'm gonna place this directly next to that light minty color. I don't know if I like it or not. Nah. Guys, for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna use this light lavender beautiful purple, and I'm going to place this on the outer corner. I'm going to finish up the look once I'm done with my foundation and concealer, because sometimes that can cover up some of the under eye makeup. So I'm going to leave the eye makeup here and then do my face and come right back. I'm going to use the Crayolan foundation. This is the color DO, and I love mixing it with the shade LO as well. So I'm just gonna apply this with a brush, and today I'm going for a more natural coverage than a full-on highlight and contour. I like using the Bear With Me setting spray by NYX and their sponge, and I like using the butt of the sponge, spraying a little bit of that setting spray there, and then just like pouncing Beauty Blender on the skin. In a way, the blender also grabs a little bit of the foundation off your face. I feel like it also contributes to the more natural look whilst having everything blended and looking beautiful. Why do I talk so fast though? Like seriously? So for contour, I'm using this brown shade from the Holy Grail palette, and you guys know the drill. Cheekbones, not too low, because you guys will have too low cheekbones. We want a high sort of pull together type of look. Forehead, and my nose needs to always be contoured, guys. I have a big nose. What I also like to do to get nice plumpier looking lips, I like to use this brown shade and then just go under the lip, just in the center. As you guys can already see, it gives that shadow to make my lips appear larger, but really speaking it's not. And also on the Cupid's bow, just above that upper lip, and kind of have it like rounded, so that way it looks like your lips are a little bit larger. And we're just doing this right to the Cupid's bow area. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this out. And to blend my nose, I'm using a black small blending brush. This is a more tapered one, and I'm very gently just going and blending those two lines. Okay, so for my blush today, I decided I want to do a cream blush, and I want it to be really pastel-y, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to use this peach shade, and I'm just going to pop this on my blend that out with my brush. Wow, this color is actually so pretty. Just gonna add a little bit more. Hey guys, I'm so sad. My NYX duochromatic highlighter fell the other day, and this is the lavender steel. It's such a beautiful shade. Look at that, so sad. I'm just gonna add this to my cheeks. Top that right at the highlight point. I'm going to add the color called Snow Rose. It looks white, but as soon as it hits the skin, it turns into this beautiful pink shade. Use the NYX Vivid Brights liner. This is the color Vivid Halo, and do a very different type of eyeliner. So next, gonna use the NYX matte liner. This is the black liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a very thin line on my lash line. Okay guys, so I am going to be adding some gemstones to my eyes, and you guys, I'm using nail gemstones. So I'm going to be using a pink one somewhere here, and I already took it and put it on my palette. I'm just going to apply that on the cut crease area so you guys can see how pretty it looks. I applied some glue and I'm just going to be applying it. Okay, I'm not going to talk anymore. You guys can see. Okay guys, I just applied all of those gems and I think it is so pretty. So this is a pink color that I used throughout the eye. So there's 5 on either side. I have on the inner corner and then just going throughout the eye. I absolutely love it. Okay, so the mascara I used was What the Hype mascara by NYX. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes and then I will see you guys in a second. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys really did enjoy this makeup look and this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely tell me in the comment section. And if you guys also recreate this look, I would love to see it. So definitely tag me on Instagram, on Facebook, and I would love to see you guys recreate it. And yeah, that is it from me. I will see you guys in my next video.